Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I have yet another gnome project, but this one's kind of twofold. It's a gift and also kind of gift wrap in one. So I'm going to go ahead and make a gnome right here using a tiny party hat. I got these, of course, at my favorite store, the Dollar Tree. I have some flannel in a checkered print. It's actually a scarf. I'm just going to cut the fabric so that it will fit over the hat. And then I found these microfiber dust pads, but they separate into segments real easy and they're nice and fluffy. It looks like a beard or hair. So I went ahead and cut down these little segments. It's almost like a little fabric in between each fluffy part of the dust pad there. So, and then I cut about halfway around the party hat. This is going to be the gnome's beard. And I did find out after making this that you should definitely shake the pieces that you cut because some white fluffies do come off, or hot glue it really well at the end so that you don't get white fluff everywhere. I chose to do the beard part of the gnome first. I like the way that the hat looks when it goes over the beard rather than the beard going over the hat. And then to give a little bit more dimension to the hat itself, I put a little fold in the fabric so that it has a brim to the hat. Just give it a little bit more dimension, I guess, when you put it on there. So I'm trying to wrap it as tight as I can around the hat itself, going up over the beard. It kind of gives it a slouchy look in the hat when you're done going up and over like that. I think it looks more gnomish, if that could be a word. And then I just hot glue it, trying to make it keep that cone shape. It took a little trimming. And I did quite a few of these, so towards the end I had the pattern kind of down packed, but when I was making the video, this was one of the first ones that I made. And so this is going to not only be a gnome gift that somebody could have and have it out for the holiday season, but also I've got these scrunchies from Amazon, and I'll put the link in the comments below. They come 3 in a pack, and so you can gift them to like teachers or little stocking stuffers, or just the small gifts for people who use scrunchies. So after I've got the hat all glued down, just tie off the top with a little bit of twine, and then just put a few cuts at the top to give it a pom-pom on the gnome's hat there. And then once that's done, this is my favorite part, adding the nose. And it's just a wooden ball, hot glued right on. And it still cracks me up. Each time I add it, all of a sudden, instant, it's a little gnome. And then this is one group of the hair ties that I was mentioning. There's also like a blue, green, and gray shade, and then a pink, tan, and yellow shade. So I just kind of coordinated the gnomes' hats with the hair ties. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching.